Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. Today also, as usual, I have brought a very unique recipe for you. I hope you will like it. Just see what I have made for you. So I hope you have liked it and you would like to learn this recipe step by step. I will show you in details how to make it at your home at ease in very in details step by step recipe. So please watch this video till end. Do not miss any step so that you can make it as it is. So viewers, and before I start making it, I'll request you to the new subscribers for joining me, and thank you all my subscribers for giving me this encouragement. And I'll request all my new viewers to please do subscribe my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon below so that you can get the notifications of all my new uploads. So viewers, let's begin.
For making this orange pudding, first ingredient you require is milk, and you take full cream milk and reduce it to 1/4. Keep stirring, and you have to scrape the fat from beside the saucepan, and you keep stirring and reduce it. And when it is 1/4 of the, I have taken 1 liter of milk, and when it is reduced to 1/4, then add the sugar. Sugar will be as per your choice. I have taken only 2 tablespoons, and if you want more sweeter, then you add more. So now you keep the milk aside to cool, and you prepare the oranges. You just see how I am cutting the oranges. You have to chuck off the top, and for serving it in this shell, you have to cut the oranges like this. Otherwise, you can simply take out the segments, and you remove the skin, and it is ready. But you know, it's very nice to serve it in the shells. It looks so good, and it is a feel good. When you see something nice, you feel like eating it. So just see how I have removed the orange segments, and without damaging the skin of it, shell of it. So just see how I am cutting across, and you have to take out the shells nicely so that the shell is not damaged. Now I have removed it. You know, you have to slowly, you have to do it, and you can use your fingers also. I'll show you another one just to be sure how you need to do it. There are several ways. However you want to do it, you can do it. Just make sure the shell is not damaged, so that you can serve the pudding in the shell. Take it out. Anyways, if it is broken, you don't mind, because you have to remove the skin from the these segments, and you have to take only the flesh of it. So now I'll just see how I did it. You have to really mess up your fingers. There is no other option. You can use your tools, your scissors or your knives to do it, but you have to mess up your fingers also. So just I am showing you what you require. You require only the inner shell. So remove the seeds and take these segments out, and you remove the skins also, as far as possible you remove the skin, and it tastes so good only with the flesh of oranges. It is a time consuming thing, but ultimately what you get is really, really delicious. So you don't mind doing it. Just, and another way is you just, when you don't need the shell of it, you want to serve it in a bowl or something like that, you just take out, peel off the outer skin and then the inner skin, and you take the flesh. Just see how I am doing. And this is one thing, everybody wants to do it in their own way. Whichever way you are comfortable, you can do it. The purpose is to get the flesh, clean flesh, without the, even the thinner skin, it's better you remove it. I showed you 2-3 ways, and whichever way you prefer to do, you do it. Yes, this is the shell you require. You have to put these shells in the cool reduced milk, and it will form the pudding. I am showing you another one. This is the only thing you need. When your milk is reducing, you keep doing this beside, and it will be ready in no time. And for reducing the milk, some people like to add the milkmaid also, but I do it with pure milk. So it is reduced milk, the shells, and some chopped nuts. I have taken pistachio and the almonds. Now you have to mix up all. Just ensure this milk is cool in room temperature. You add the shells and the juice and mix it up. If you mix it in the warm milk, it may curdle because the oranges are sometimes very sour, and it will curdle the milk, and you won't get that taste in the pudding. So I have mixed the oranges. Now add the juice also, as much as you can, as you want, you add it. And of course then the nuts of your choice. I have taken blanched almonds, removed the skin, and blanched pistachio also. I have removed the skin from the pistachio also. That's why they are so green, and they are a lovely addition to this pudding. It's ready. You can serve it in the bowl and you can have it, and it's better you cool it, refrigerate it, not in the freezer but in general fridge. And of course you can garnish it whatever you want to. Some people like adding rose water also, but I want this orange flavor to be intact. Now I have the shells, and what I'll do, I'll just pour the pudding in the shell, I'll cool it, and then I'll serve it. Your family would really love it, and if you serve it to your guest, it will be amazing, mesmerizing. So just see, I have prepared the shells. Now pour the pudding in the shell. Isn't it looking so delicious? Trust me, they are so delish, and your family will really love it. And especially to the children, it is very fascinating to eat this pudding in the shell of orange. And you garnish it with oranges and nuts of your choice. And of course you can add the flavors also. You can put orange this flavor also. The artificial orange flavor, but I don't like it. I have not added, so it's up to you. Just so, viewers, I hope you have liked it. So please Do follow the recipe, make it and share your experience, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel Cook with Reena, and you will find so many mesmerizing recipes here. I hope you will support me, and please do subscribe Cook with Reena. I'll definitely come up with another fascinating delicious dish for you very soon. So keep your support, keep your comments on,